Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new bag. So if you're interested in seeing this baby in all its glory, girl, you want to keep on watching. Definitely a goodie. Alright girl, thank you for staying put. We're going to go ahead and get right into it. Now this brand has rapidly become one of my favorites. So I have really been on a Gucci kick. And girl, look what I got. I got the Gucci Ophidia Tote in the navy blue with, yes girl, silver hardware. And everybody knows I'm a gold girl, but this one was so beautiful, girl. It's everything. It's just so me. This really goes with my everyday aesthetic because I'm a jeans and blazer type girl, and navy blue blazers, my black blazers are like my total favorite blazers to wear every day. And this will just look so good with my everyday work aesthetic. This is beautiful. Look at this. OMGG. She is definitely gorgeous. Let me show you the inside. I love that it has this magnetic closure piece and it's so strong. This is what it looks like on the inside. She's definitely beautiful. Definitely beautiful. This doesn't come with one of those pouches on the inside, but it does have the little pocket here on the side wall, which is zippered. And then you have another pocket over here on the opposite wall. Very nice. I just really love a good tote bag, and it is structured so nicely. Doesn't have feet under the bottom. I don't think any of the Ophidia totes do. But girl, it is beautiful. This is a great alternative if you're looking for a luxury tote bag aside from, you know, the Louis Vuitton Neverfull that everyone carries. But this one is definitely equivalent to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the MM size. Definitely. But she is so beautiful, girl. I love it. The straps are nice. They fit comfortably under the arm. You don't have to keep reaching to pull it back up or the straps falling. They literally stay up. She's such a nice bag. Gorgeous. Girl. Absolutely in love with this bag. Let me know down below if you are into the Gucci pieces. If you have a Gucci tote bag, which one do you have? This is actually right now my third tote. I got my fingers crossed. I got my eye on another Gucci style tote bag with a black trimming, but it doesn't have this signature ribbon down the front of it. It's just the Gucci monogram with a black trimming, black straps. So gorgeous. I think that bag would be like a classic Gucci tote bag. But I am in love. This is just so cute. Love this bag, girl. Yes, girl. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's where I spill the tea and do mostly all of my unboxings for my beautiful new things, girl. But this bag is definitely one of my new favorites. This one's definitely going to be in high rotation. I love this. Love, love, love this. So cute. Who would have thought that I would just become this Gucci girl? But I'm definitely in love with it. Let me know what you think of today's pick, which you have chose this one. Do you like the navy blue print with the blue and red, or are you just more partial to the red and green that everybody loves from Gucci? But this was just everything, though. It's the silver hardware for me. I think that's what has me right now. The silver, and I love this little claspy clasp along the top. And the magnet is so good. This bag fits all of my stuff perfectly. This is almost everything that I carry on the day-to-day basis. So spacious. Great for every day. Great for travel, girl. I can't stress it enough. Awesome bag. Girl. But make sure you're following me on Instagram because that's like the VIP section to all things Mesha and beautiful things, girl, because I spilled all the tea over there. But girl, definitely check them out. This bag is absolutely amazing. beautiful. The craftsmanship is just everything. The bag is impeccable, girl. Y'all know I ain't gonna tell you about no trash, but this is beautiful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads until next time. I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.